also plays home to a national grocery chain with Hawaiian shirts, a salon, and 3 women's clothing stores. There used to be a men's suit store, but it closed due to lockdown. I just scoff and say, whatever, and start wheeling the cart to the front. Karen follows me, and as I get to the door, my general manager and the closing manager are walking up from the other side of the store, talking about general manager's upcoming move. I look to the closing cashier and cheerfully say, "See you Monday, Jay." I start out the door, and Karen grabs me and starts screeching about me stealing from the store. I immediately look at her and snarl, "You have 5 seconds to get your hands off of me before I call the police." Then she slaps me. Unbeknownst to everyone except the coworker who was closing my department, the town's chief of police was in the store to pick up his Christmas cards that he had ordered. When he heard her screeching, he turned to see the commotion. He saw the slap. So did my GM, the other manager, the cashier, 3 other customers, and the store security cameras. 10 minutes later, Karen is sitting on the curb in front of the store, screaming like a possessed banshee with a new pair of bracelets. There's 2 town police cars and a state police cruiser with their lights flashing in the parking lot. And the stuff the chief found in her purse is on the hood of the car. I'm giving the chief my info, and general manager is telling him to take my statement tomorrow when I'm back on the clock. I'm now waiting for my dinner to arrive from the local pizza joint and Cyberpunk 2077 to finish installing on my PC. Update. Just finished giving my statement to the police. She's being charged with assault, driving on a suspended license, and also had a warrant out for failing to meet with her probation officer. Am I the jerk for putting my ex-wife on the no contact allowed list at my grandmother's group home? 35 male. Was married to Zoe, 32 female, for 6 years. We got a divorce at the beginning of last year. She had thought I was cheating. I wasn't, and cheated in retaliation. I found out and ended things immediately. We didn't have any kids, and the house was mine, so it was a really quick process. Zoe didn't take the divorce well. She wanted to work on things. I believe that there's no coming back from something like that. She told everyone she knew that I had given up on our marriage and abandoned her. That's just a little background on the situation. My grandmother is an amazing woman who needs round-the-clock care due to her deteriorating mental state. Physically, she's probably healthier than any of us, but she has trouble remembering things, if she took meds, shut off the stove, etc. She lives in a really great group home, and I see her often. After our divorce, Zoe asked if she could keep visiting my grandmother, and I said yes. However, I began to realize that Zoe was using my grandmother as a tool to get back in my good graces. She was giving my grandmother framed photos from our wedding to keep on her bedside. She would tell her stories as if the 2 of us were still married. She would give my grandmother messages to give me. Example, "Zoe told me to tell you you're the love of her life," etc. It happened for a short time before I contacted Zoe and told her to stop. It was confusing and frustrating for me and my grandmother when I had to constantly be reminding her that Zoe and I weren't married anymore. Zoe stopped for a while. The only issue we were having was that she had happened to come to visit my grandmother whenever I would be there. My grandmother has a calendar on her wall where I mark down all the days I'm going to come see her. I'm pretty sure my ex was taking photos of it or something. Recently, I began seriously dating a woman, Claire. On my last Zoom call with my grandmother, she was extremely agitated, and when I asked her why, she said she was extremely upset to hear from Zoe that I was throwing away our relationship to date someone else. I had told my grandmother about her a few weeks ago, and she'd been extremely happy for us. I called Zoe and told her she wasn't allowed to visit my grandmother anymore. I called the group home and told them not to accept calls or visits from her. My ex-wife says I'm depriving her of a woman she sees as her own blood. I say that this is the last time I'm going to have her emotionally manipulate my grandmother and upset her for Zoe's own selfish reasons. Am I the jerk? Well, who do you agree with? OP or Zoe? Please let us know. That Zoe sounds like pure evil. Kinda gives me a run for my money. That time a customer tried using my dead uncle as leverage to bargain. This happened a couple of weeks ago, but it still upsets me when I think about it. My place of work is a family business. My grandfather founded our store. My dad and mom bought it from him, and I'm now working the desk, along with some of my siblings. My mom and dad didn't originally plan to be the sole owners. However, my uncle also was very involved with the business and wanted to go in on it with them. Unfortunately, about 6 months before the deal was supposed to happen, he unexpectedly suffered a stroke and died while walking his dogs. It was so fast, I never got the chance to say goodbye. He was out less than 2 hours after he went down. He was young too, only 42. I was wrecked emotionally for a long time after that. My parents pulled out of the deal and waited